Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this hummingbird feeder. Now, we're just going to show you guys what it looks like, and I'm going to do an updated video in the future actually using it. I need to order and get everything. I want to order special order liquid for hummingbirds because to attract hummingbirds, there is a recommended method to use. A lot of people can use water, sugar water. If you guys already have hummingbirds. So this is what it looks like. You can thread this out and fill it up. Once you have it filled up, you just place it upside down like this and thread it back on. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots for hummingbirds. They can sit right on here. Nice and colorful. So you guys have different hooks that you can set up. So if you want to set it up like this and put it on something, you can. They also have much longer hooks as well. You guys can also run this through and tie it and then place it on a hook. So it's going to depend. So yeah, this is considered the ant moat right in here. You have a cleaning brush and then a hanging hook as well. So you guys can take the line through and you can tie it off then however you want, and then run it down like this, and you can have it hanging from far away. It's gonna, be based off of where you're hanging it, how you're hanging it, and whatnot. Overall, it's really nice, guys. I can't wait to get an updated video. And again, you could use sugared water, but we're actually going to get a solution that attracts a lot of hummingbirds, which is much better. Sugar water is great when you already got the hummingbirds. They already know the feeder's here. They've already been feeding off of it for a while. But other solution actually really attracts them. So, show you guys in a little while an updated video.